Hi friends, I am Anbarasi studying 7th A Master Geometry. Today I am going to take seminar in the topic of motion and time. Introduction. In our daily life routine, we usually see some objects at rest and other in motion, like birds fly, fish swims, and planet moving around the sun, etc. are all in the motion. When an object changes its position with time, we often present an object to be in motion. Example, when the position of the car changes with the time, we say that the car is moving or the car is in the motion. Types of motion. The motion of all the objects are not of the same type. There are 6 different types of motion shown by different objects. There are 6 types of motions are rectilinear motion, circular motion, rotational motion, periodic motion, vibration motion and random motion. Rectilinear motion. The motion caused by the body moving along a straight line path is called rectilinear motion. Example, the motion of a train on a straight bridge. Circular motion. The motion caused by a body when it moves along a circular path is called circular motion. Example, the motion of a child around a merry-go-round. Motion of the earth around the sun in a circular orbit. Rotational motion. The motion caused by a body when it spins about a fixed axis is called rotational motion. Example, the motion of the earth about its axis spinning top, the motion of the blades of the fan. Periodic motion. The motion which repeats itself after regular interval of time is called periodic motion. Example, the moving of the swing to and fro, motion of a simple pendulum. Vibrational motion. The object moves repetitively and changes its shape and size. Example, when we push the strings of sitar. Random motion. The motion is not along a defined path but keeps on changing its direction of motion. Slow and fast motion. An object which takes a long time to cover a certain distance is known as slow, while the other object which takes shorter time to cover the same distance is known as fast. Example, if your school is at a distance of 5 km from your home and you want to go to school by bicycle, then it may take about 25 minutes to reach the school. And if you go by the bus, then on the same distance, we covered only in 10 minutes. It means that the bicycle takes a longer time than the bus. Thus, the most convenient way to determine which of the two objects is moving faster is to compare the distance moved by them in a unit time, which is known as speed. Speed, the distance traveled by an object per unit time. Either in 1 hour, in 1 minute or in 1 second is known as speed of the object. A slow-moving object is said to have a low speed and a fast-moving object is said to have a high speed. If we know the distance covered by 2 buses in 1 hour, then we can answer which one is slower. Therefore, the formula of calculating the speed of an object can be given by speed is distance traveled by time taken. Example, if a car travels a distance of 100 km in 2 hours, then the speed of the car is given by 100 km by 2 hours is 50 km per hour. It shows that the car will travel a distance of 50 km in 1 hour. It doesn't matter if the car seldom moves with a constant speed for 1 hour as it starts moving slowly and then pick up speed. So when we say that the car is moving with the speed of 50 km per hour, then we do not bother average speed of the car. Non-uniform and uniform motion. If the speed of an object moving along a straight line keeps changing, its motion is said to be non-uniform motion. On the other hand, an object moving along a straight line